Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in a collab hosted by Arlynn'S Country Crafty Corner. And today Arlynn'S collab is called the Fall Cozy Corner. So I am so excited to participate in this collab. So Arlynn'S asked us to come up with a space that has a ladder, a table, or a blanket, or a basket, plaque or sign, some garland, store-bought or fabric, or even a leaf garland. So I am working on mine right now, and you're looking at the preliminary stages of it, and I'm so excited to be a part of this collab. Again, it's called the Fall Cozy Corner by Arlynn'S Country Crafty Corner. So let's get started. So this is my final project, guys, for Arlynn'S Country Crafty Corner Fall Cozy Corner Challenge. Let's focus. This is my Fall Cozy Corner. It's in the living room. And as you know, guys, if you've seen my other video, you know that my living room has no furniture in it right now. So this is a credenza that we have in the corner where I hide all my candles and all kinds of other things underneath. So just ignore that underneath. And you saw me put together the welcome sign, which is from the Dollar Tree. Just about everything here is from the Dollar Tree. The frame we found, that was at the house. Never been used. The little pedestal, white pedestal, is from Goodwill. The two-tier tray is from Goodwill. The flowers centerpiece is from a project that I did earlier, and I'll link that video. That's a DIY. This vase is another DIY, which I will link that video as well. And as a bonus, this little bench was from Habitat for Humanity that I got, I think, sometime last year. And I think I hauled it. The pumpkin is from Goodwill. The cage is from Goodwill. I apologize for the beeping in the background, but that's the electronic carpet cleaner. So my Fall Cozy Corner is here. The garland, as I mentioned, I got from Goodwill. Excuse me, I got from Dollar Tree. And the ribbon is all from Dollar Tree. I just kind of laid out 2 strips, different kinds of ribbon. If it'll focus. Polka dot and a black piece of jute, if you can see that, which I got from Michael's last year. And then I just added the Dollar Tree garland. So I think I stayed within the parameters of having garland, a table or ladder or something, a basket, which is a basket here with a buffalo check blanket. So I think I stayed within the parameters of this challenge. And I want to thank Arlynn, and I'll leave her channel information below, as well as the playlist. And please stop by her channel as well as the other creators and enjoy this Fall Cozy Corner challenge. Thank you guys. Thank you for riding with me, and have an awesome, awesome day. Bye.